Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make water landing gear for my Phantom 3 drone. Okay, so this should work on all Phantom 3 series and Phantom 4 series. To make the landing gear, we're going to 3D print a bracket that's going to attach to the bottom of our drone, and then we're also going to use 2 pool noodles to give it the element of flotation. Okay, so we need to start by downloading the files. There will be a link in the description to download them yourself. So we're going to click right here, download all files. Once you have all the files downloaded, you're going to import all of them into Kira, except for Phantom 4_waterproof. Okay, so once you're done getting your model ready, all you gotta do is save it to your SD card and put it in the printer and wait. So I've been trying to find the right screws, and it looks like these are the ones. These are the 4x by 1/2 screws, they're 15 cents each. And to do this, if you're doing it yourself, you're gonna need 8 of them. So once you're done screwing it all in, it should look like this. There should be no gaps right here, and they should be sticking up just a little bit. Now one of these holes is bigger than all of the other ones, and that's because one foot on the drone is bigger than all the other ones. So you're going to want to make sure you get that lined up, and then all you're going to do is drop the drone down into the holes. If you did it right, it should fit quite nicely. Okay, so for this step, you're going to need the pool noodle and your zip tie. And if you have one, a ruler would be nice. I recommend cutting the pool noodle down to around 13.5 to 14 inches, which is what I'm going to do. So I have right around 14 inches right here. Let's try making a mark, and we're going to cut it. Let's just hold that with our finger, and we're going to cut it right there. Any knife will cut the pool noodle just fine. So that seems good. Now we're going to do the same thing one more time. So now what we need to do is zip tie our mount to our drone. So once you have that done, you're going to make sure it's all sturdy and it's not going to fall off. And now we're going to attach the pool noodles. So once you're done cutting the pool noodles, you're going to attach the pool noodles to the drone using zip ties. You can use screws, but they'll weigh the drone down a lot, and I would recommend using zip ties. All you're going to do is poke 2 holes and feed the zip tie through it so that you see it inside. So I forgot to commentate while I was recording this section, so I'm just going to do a voiceover right now. So everything went onto the drone quite smoothly. So right here, I'm going to try landing it, and I was a little iffy about whether I should do this or not, but I already got to this point, and I did test if it floated before. The water level was kind of like seeping up all the way to the top of the pool noodles, so right here, I was thinking about whether I should land it or not, but I did, as you can see right here. But the problem is, one side of the drone's heavier than the other. I'm pretty sure the side with the battery's heavier. So right as you land, one side of the drone hits the water first, and it starts swaying off, just like you saw right there on screen, and you can see right now. So should you do this? Practically no. But if you're flying somewhere with water, this will totally work as a backup. Even if the feet start sinking in, as long as it doesn't get to the camera, it'll be fine. The camera's pretty far up there. So, should you use this? Probably not. If you need to, though, you can just slap it on in 30 seconds, and it's a pretty nice backup. So, if you guys like this video, please consider subscribing, or hit that like button, and I'll see you guys next time.